On popular demand, DD News Meghalaya is increasing its bulletin time from 10 minutes to 15 minutes from 5th November 2023. Viewers can watch the Khasi Bulletin at 6:30 p.m. while the English Bulletin would commence from On popular demand, DD News Meghalaya is increasing its bulletin time from 10 minutes to 15 minutes from 5th November 2023. The viewers can watch our Khasi bulletins from 6:30 p.m. to 6:45 p.m. and English bulletin from 7 p.m. to 7:15 p.m. You can also watch our bulletins live on DD News Meghalaya YouTube channel. So stay tuned to DD Meghalaya for authentic and credible news of our state.